What's going on, guys? Hope you guys are all doing great today. Today's my birthday. Oh, it's my birthday today. Totally not doing anything. Still on lockdown over here in Ontario, Canada. Yeah, which is fine. You know what? Like, I'm getting to the point where like I'm 31 this year, and I'm like, just, you know what? I don't really do much for my birthday anymore. All I want to do is just chillax, relax, or like grab a bite to eat and enjoy. So me and the girlfriend are gonna go out and grab some food. Yeah, that's pretty much it. This whole entire week, like, I wasn't doing much in stock exchange and the stock trading and stuff like that because I had to pay a big tax bill. And so that had to be done, and so it is what it is. And so, you know what, like, I'm just paying the taxes, and so I couldn't save enough money. So I didn't do any tradings, but that's okay. Like, I did record like a little bit of like what I bought last week, hence why I haven't really made a lot of like videos the past 2 weeks or so, just because like there wasn't much like transactions that was made, and I don't want to kind of sound so like really repetitive. So you know what, it is what it is, and so I'm gonna enjoy what it is. And I really wanted to share with you guys like my thoughts on like birthdays and such. You know, birthdays to me, birthdays, I think of it like as a day of reflection, a day like where I can, like, you know, go for my goals and like, what am I doing? What am I in the right track? Career-wise, where I was at like last year, because a lot can change within a year or so, but not as quick as you may think. And so as I like progress, I'm like I said, like last year was my first time like being in my 30s. I'm very excited for my 30s because 30s is like you're still in a place where you can like still be fit, young, and still get like, you know, things going. And on top of it, like you're a little bit wiser, I would say. So like you're kind of in the like the cusp. So it's kind of cool. I'm excited. I have a lot of things going on. I'm excited to go, and I'm taking my real estate license and the progress of that. And it's just been a pain in the butt to go and study because like I am not much of a studier. But on top of it, like it's just overall, it's been really fun. Just learning everything. I definitely see myself like in this career, just building and growing, and super excited about that. So yeah, super stoked. Other than that, like I'm gonna go grab some vegetables because like health and fitness wise, it's important. And now I'm gonna go grab some like just food and meal prep for the rest of the week and such. So it's gonna be super exciting to go and get that started. Anyways, I'll see you guys inside in a bit. Yeah, so like one big thing like I want to do is like actually work out and be like a little bit more fit. Yeah, it's gonna be really exciting to go and grow, and then I gotta go buy some wine for my coworkers as it is her birthday as well. So, hi there. Good, about you?
Yeah, you're recording it?
Yeah. Why? Okay, sure. All right, guys. So just finally got the food into the car. Went to get some gas. Yeah, like just trying to make healthy choices, and there wasn't much going on in like the stock market this week. Just spending today like more like spending my birthday just kind of like reflecting, just seeing what's going on, my goals, kind of reevaluating that, because like, you know, after I've read a lot of like books, and I've thought about like, you know, if you're not happy with where you are in life, right, and then it's because of the choices that you've made. And a lot of people don't like to hear that and don't like that feeling of being told that, because like I certainly don't, like, you know, maybe like I don't like where I am because like, you know, because of whatever it is, right, like the choices I've made. And so taking ownership. So one big thing right now, like proponent right now, is like money. It's like, you know what, staying focused and everything like that. Like, how can I generate more money now? Thinking about that more and more all the time. It's important, right? So now making the choices to go and build that, right? Have an action plan. So yeah, so what does it take for you to get out there to make like, you know, 40,000, 50,000, 60,000 and such like that? And so yeah, it's like staying focused, making the right choices, improving skill sets, like just kind of thinking a lot about like those kind of goals. I usually spend my birthdays like that, nice and relaxing, and just kind of see what's going on. Yeah, guys, I know it doesn't sound like too sexy and everything like that, because like people usually party and such, but all my party days are all out. Just can't afford it and such like that now. Yeah, so it's I don't know what to tell you. Yeah, anyways, if you guys like this little rant or whatever it is, like, you know, let me know. I want to share with you guys my thoughts and such like that. I've been reading a lot of books, self-development books, and what's going on. I'm on like day 63 of my 75 hard program. Super stoked. It's almost done. I'm gonna wrap it up. I'm gonna go get some like burgers or something like that, or like I don't know what I'm gonna do, but it's exciting to get through all this and then maybe jump back on again, because I love the growth that I've learned from it. Like I've learned to be more adaptable. You know, I definitely want to tighten it more up and improve my health a little bit more. So it's all about that, guys. Hope you guys have a good one. Take care. Remember, like, subscribe, share, and everything like that means a lot to me. Take care.